Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I'm unboxing a canvas from a company which is brand new to me. This has come from Crystal Canvas Art Designs, a paint by number concept. It did come just in this box with an address label on, and it has got a little bit dinked. It did come from the US to me. We'll talk a little bit about shipping in a minute, but you know, it's not going to have damaged the contents. It's fine. It's just a little bit squished in the middle section. So let's get into it. We will have a look and see what I got. It does have a little thumbnail on the end as well, showing what the canvas is, so that's nice if you're going to be storing your canvases in their boxes. Okay, ooh, pink kit. That's exciting. Right. Okie dokie. Right, so. Crystal Canvas Art Designs only do acrylic crystal canvases. So here we have, how could I resist? You know what I'm like. So this is a cord glue. I'm just going to move you out a tiny bit. So we've got cord glue. It is listed as a 50 by 50. Let me just check that with the trusty ruler. 30. Yep. So that is the printed. Yep. Rogue drill. Yeah, that's the printed surface of the canvas. This is Witch's Hat by an artist called Victoria Bat. It's so cute. I love it. I hope that the crystals will do it justice. So let's have a little look at our kit. It is a fairly basic kit, but we do get our single placer. We get 2 plates of pink wax, heart shaped. We get a squishy, and we get a pink moss for boat. So I've never had a pink boat before. I seem to be collecting all the colours at the moment. One of the last unboxings I did, I ended up with a blue one, so I've now got a pink one and a blue one. All goes together lovely. Yeah, perfectly reasonable kit, everything that you will need for working on this. I will multi-place this background because there's a lot. So let's have a little look at the crystals. There are 30 colours. Let's see, how have they... Oh, all of the rattling. Okay, so because it's a crystal, we're not going to have DMC. We're just going to have colour numbers, and they are in baggies with numbers on. So that's really great. We've got, obviously all the silver that you can see is the back of the drill, so it's difficult to show you the actual colours. I'll do a little, we'll bring you in and I'll do a little scooch through. They won't be in order anymore, but so we've got a big bag of a clear crystal, 2 big bags of clear crystal. That's going to be all of our white background, and that is where the sneaky leak was coming from. I've just spotted it. Oh, Oh, I think they must have just got caught in the opening of the bag because the bags themselves were shut. So there we go, put these away. We've got a lovely pink colour. Oh, this is lovely. It's like a forget-me-not blue. Lovely garnet, sort of red-brown colour. Big bag of black. What's the difference between those two? Now, I can't see a difference between those two, so it'll be interesting to see how they look on the canvas. I suspect it's sort of a 310, 939 kind of situation where this is a very dark blue, but I'm not sure. The same with 5 and 6, they're incredibly close, both blues. 25 is a lovely sort of royal blue edging into purple. 18 is our real amethyst. That is a purple as well, although it's incredibly dark. And that is a deep, deep sort of cerise colour. It's like a wine. We've got some lovely sort of champagne colours, some hits of orange in different shades. There's a bright orange there, another orange. See, those two are so close together. I worry that they won't show up the difference, but we will see. Another big bag of orange there. Got some grey. Another sort of gunmetal-y kind of. That is like a sage green. Another blacky one. Oh, I'm a little bit worried, just a little bit. But we'll see. Hopefully it'll be completely fine. Pink, red, another red. Well, that's red, but more on the sort of pinky end. Some Barbie pink and some baby pink. What have we got left? Pale amethysty colour. Little purpley ones. And another sort of grey silver tone. So beautiful colours. I'm just a little bit concerned that there's not going to be enough variation. So let's just bring you back out and we'll have a little look at. So obviously we've got our white is going to go there. 18 is Q, so that's going to be in the hair. 26 is going to be the highlights in the hair. 24, that was a really big bag. Where's that? 24 is an X. So again, that's highlighting the purpley hair. 17 is N. That's going to be the hat. 11 is D. So that's this orange circle behind is going to be this orangey colour. 27 is the and. Oh, where's our ampersand? It's a little bit of everywhere in the dark areas, so I think it is just going to be a shade of that darker area. 30 is a percentage symbol. It's a lovely clear canvas, I must say. I'm really pleased with that. She says not being able to see the percentage symbols. Where have they gone? Oh, in these highlight, it's the sort of very lightest highlights. There we go, I can see now. 13 is a G. The first place I've noticed those is in the eye of the bat up here, but I'm sure they'll be elsewhere as well. 4 is in the moon. So there's a bit of everything sprinkled around all over. I'm sure it'll be fine. I just need to... This, I've never done a completely crystal canvas. And so I guess what I need to be aware of is just, yeah, need to be trusting the process, as I always say, yes. Be interesting to see how the face comes out. That is 19. That will be some of that sort of champagne-y colours that we had, I would have thought, but I now can't find. Where have they gone? There. Yeah, so that sort of champagne rose gold colour, that's going to be the lightest part of her face, with number 3. Oh dear, okay. This pale pink being the shaded part of her face. I'm sure it will look lovely. I need to trust the process. I'm going to keep telling myself that. So, regardless of any concerns I might have, I think she is a beautiful image, and if I didn't, you know, if we weren't already halfway through the month of October, I'd be very tempted to kit her up and start her. As it is, I think I'm probably going to pop her on the back burner, and we will revisit her for Drills and Chills and for Spooky Flings next year. Unless in the meantime somebody's doing a Crystal Drills event, in which case I'll dig her out for that, but I think she's probably gonna be popped away for the time being. I mentioned earlier that I wanted to discuss shipping. Obviously, as you all know, I'm based in the UK. Crystal Canvas Art Designs are based in Delaware in the US. I contacted them regarding shipping, and I spoke to a lovely lady called Amy. She explained that whilst they do ship to the UK, they don't cover any of the shipping costs. But what she was happy for me to do was she took down my details. She then went away and worked out the exact shipping cost for me before I committed to purchasing anything. And it wasn't cheap. Yeah, this was a bit of a treat for myself, because the canvas, perfectly reasonable price. I mean, you know, for a 50 by 50 full drill, full crystal drill canvas with poured glue and licensed artwork, $32. I was more than happy to pay that. That's a very reasonable price for a canvas of this size with licensed artwork from a reputable company. The shipping, however, was $25.79, which under normal circumstances for me would be prohibitive for purchasing. However, I had fallen for this design pretty heavily, and I had a little bit of savings that I was able to treat myself. I'm trying to justify it that it's all for the good of the channel. Everything that I make, for people buying coffees and gifts and things, it all goes back into the channel. So this is like me buying a gift for the channel. That's the way I'm looking at it. So yeah, I was quite happy to support their company on this occasion. I think there's probably an argument here for if you're ordering from the US to the UK to get a few of you together, contact them, see if they'll do a group order, because I think that would save you quite a lot on shipping, because I would imagine that the price for shipping one canvas is much the same as the price for shipping two. It tends to be that you could probably send 4 canvases for more or less the same price. So I would definitely recommend bulk ordering where possible, getting together with friends, and contact the company and ask them. It may be that they're able to send it a slower way that's cheaper, if you're happy to wait. It's, as I say, it's worth inquiring. But yes, this is a very nice canvas. It's got a felted back, poured glue. We've got very clear symbols. I'm just going to bring you down actually so you can have a little look at that. See if I can keep you in focus. There we go. Let's give you her pretty eyes to look at. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna go and check out Victoria Batts. I'm gonna Google her and see if I can find more of her artwork. What is that? Sorry, I'm all over the place today. I do apologise. I've been so excited to unbox this, and now I'm here. I'm like, oh, say all the things. Remember what to say. But actually, I think I've probably waffled on long enough now. So, yeah. Just to clarify, the kit itself, $32. If you're in the US, my God, go and order from them. The choices are fab. Their search engine works really well. They even have canvases sorted for events, so you can put in drills and chills and they'll show you canvases that are suitable for drills and chills. Such a great idea. Yeah. I'm gonna leave this here. I'm going to pack her away until such time as I can get started on her, which will not be... Hello, Nico. Come to see the canvas. Get your bum out the way. Oh, now you're knocking the camera. Okay, I think on that note, I'm going to say, if you enjoy my ramblings, please do consider to subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty!